Hey y'all, today we're doing gel nails at home and I'm using my battery powered nail file. Here I'm selecting the shaping grinder and I am just going in all over the nails because I had some nail polish and making sure that everything is nice and smooth, and make sure that I remove any type of rough surface from the nail. And as you will see, I repeat the steps on both sides. In this section, I am using the felt grinder to polish the nails and to make sure that they're nice and smooth after using the shaping grinder. And I just continue until I'm satisfied. This will remove any hardened skin and basically polish the nail before I begin to apply any type of nail polish. I will use a regular nail file to just sharpen the edges, as you will see here, and make sure that we are nice and uniformed. Here I'm just using this tool to lift the cuticles because sometimes they need a little extra additional help. And then I go in with the cuticle cutter and I just cut off any type of extra skin that might be around the nail bed. Then I will go in with my base coat and then basically apply it, a very thin layer, all over the nail bed. I repeat that for each nail, making sure that I do not apply too much. And then I will cure it for 1 minute every single time to ensure that it is well prepped for the next step. The steps are very repetitive, so I will not show the entire process, otherwise we'll be here for a long time. But for each step, I repeat it on both sides. Then I will apply the actual nail color on my nails, and I will apply 2 coats of this color. The first coat I will do, and then I will cure it for 1 minute, do it on both sides, and then repeat it with a second coat. This part of it is actually pretty easy. Once the nail is prepped, it's so easy to get it dried and cured. And then once I'm done with all of the steps, I will finish off with the top coat and I will apply 1 thin layer on both hands. The top coat is mandatory, otherwise the nail will not be complete because it will easily peel off if you do not apply the top coat. You cure every time for 1 minute. Some people cure it for less. I prefer 1 minute. I just feel like that ensures that it is well set. And that is it. I am super happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. It will last me for about 2 weeks. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.